Fun facts are almost never fun, and neither is this. So, fun fact. Back when we filmed this video, over half of all small and medium-sized businesses were still running Windows 7 or Office 2010. Yours might be one of them. I mean, it probably is one of them, and that's fine. But that means it's also one of the 30% of businesses that didn't know Windows 7 and Office 2010 are both, well, they're going to go live on a farm where they have room to run and play all day long. They'll be happier there. I know it can be hard to say goodbye to the tools you've used for years, but when support for Windows 7 and Office 2010 ends in 2020, your move to Microsoft 365 will bring some unexpected benefits. For example, AI-powered productivity offers better ways for your employees to do their best work. And who wouldn't jump at the chance to work with AI that isn't plotting against us? Windows 10 is built to be Microsoft's most secure platform ever. And as a cloud-based service, its security features are constantly improving. Microsoft 365 enables you to move from Windows 7 to Windows 10, making this the last upgrade you'll ever need. It's time. Let's do this. To learn more, check out some notes I prepared for you here.